Now we discuss profit and loss. So, in profit and loss, cost price, selling price, profit, loss. So here, first point, cost price is less than selling price, it gives to profit. Otherwise, profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So, the next second point, cost price is greater than selling price, it gives to loss. So, cost price minus selling price equal to loss. So, profit or loss percentage is always calculated by cost price only. Profit or loss percentage is always calculated by cost price only. If we want profit percentage is always calculated by, can take cost price. So here profit by cost price into 100. Profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. So otherwise SP minus CP by CP into 100. So then next is loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100. If we want another formula, so CP minus SP by CP into 100. So once again, cost price, selling price, profit and loss. So here cost price is less than selling price, it gives to profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. Otherwise, or SP minus CP by CP into 100. So cost price is greater than selling price, so it gives to loss. So CP minus SP equal to loss. Loss percent equal to loss by CP into 100. Otherwise, CP minus SP by CP into 100. Then next, cost price equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. Otherwise, if you want selling price, CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100. So, otherwise CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. So here SP equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Suppose here is given gain percent and selling price, asking cost price. So that time we can use this formula, cost price equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. So selling price equal to, otherwise you asking selling price is given cost price and gain percent. So cost price into 100 plus gain percent by 100. Otherwise you asking is given selling price and loss percent. If you want cost price, selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. If you want selling price, cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100. So, the next examples. First example, example 1. By selling the cloth 33 meters, he gains 11 meters. Find profit or loss percent. Profit or loss percentage. So he is given selling price by selling the cloth 33 meters, he gains 11 meters. Find profit or loss percent. So selling price equal to 33 meters, but Profit percent is 11 meters. Profit or gain percent. So if you want profit or loss percent, so according to cost price equal to cost price equal to 22 meters because of he gains 11 meters, that's why selling price 33 meters, that's why this is the cost price is 22 meters. If you want because of this is the profit 11 meters, so that's why profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100, that is the 50%. 50%. The next, so once again by selling the cloth 33 meters, he gains 11 meters. Find profit or loss percent. So selling 33 meters, but he gains 11 meters. That's why cost price is 22 meters. Profit percent equal to 11 by 22 into 100. That is the 50%. The next, the cost price of X articles equal to the cost price of X articles equal to selling price of Y articles So, for the profit or loss percent is profit or loss percent is x minus y by y into 100. Then next, the cost price of the cost price of A articles, the cost price of A articles B rupees, selling price of B articles A rupees. Find profit or loss percent. Find profit or loss percent is A square minus B square by B square into 100%. For example, the cost price of 6 articles 5 rupees, 6 articles 5 rupees, selling price of 5 articles 6 rupees. Find profit or loss percent. Find profit or loss percent. So here is given the cost price of 5 articles, 6 articles 5 rupees, selling price of 5 articles 6 rupees. Find profit or loss percent. So that means cost price is 6 article 5 rupees. So 5 by 6, selling price is 5 by selling price is 5 articles 6 rupees. That's why 6 by 5. So profit percent, because of he purchased 6 articles 5 rupees, but selling price is 5 articles 6 rupees. That's why is given to profit percent. Profit percent equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. So that's why 6 by 5 minus 5 by 6 by 5 by 6 into 100. So here LCM is 30. So 36 minus 25 by 5 by 6 into 100. So that's why that is 11 by 30 into 6 by 5 into 100. 6 ones are 6 5s are 25 fours are. So that is the 44%. This is the one way. The alternate way is, another shortcut is cost price of 5 articles, 6 articles 5 rupees, selling price is 5 articles 6 rupees. If you want cost price, that is 25. If you want selling price, that is 36. You can take cost price is 25, selling price is 36. That's why if you want profit percent equal to profit percentage equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. That's why this is the 36 minus 25 by 25 into 100. So 11 by 25 into 100. That is the 44%. So the next, another alternate way is the cost price of 5 articles 6 rupees, that is A article B rupees, B article A rupees. That means 5 articles 6 rupees, 6 articles 5 rupees, 5 articles 6 rupees. This is the A, this is the B. That's why A square minus B square by B square into 100. So here A is the 6, B is the 5. So 36 minus 25 by 25 into 100. This is the 11 by 25 into 100. So that is 44%. The next example is the cost price of A articles B rupees and selling price of C article D rupees, C articles D rupees. Overall profit or loss percent, AD minus BC by BC into 100. So the next is the selling price of two articles each one same. One he gains X% profit, another one loss of and other one loss of X percentage. So it gives to overall, it gives to overall transaction profit or loss per, it gives to overall transaction always given to loss percent by x square by 100% only. Suppose here another example. Suppose the selling price of two articles the selling price of two articles, each one 250 rupees each, 250 rupees. One he gains 5% profit and other one loss of 5%. Find overall profit or loss percentage. Find overall profit or loss percentage. So here the selling price of the two articles, each one 250 rupees. One he gains 5% profit and other one loss of 5%. Find overall profit or loss percent. So here this application is the selling price of two articles, each one same. One he gains X% profit and other one loss of X percentage. It gives to overall transaction loss by overall transaction always given to X loss by X square by 100%. So that is 5% profit, 5% loss. The selling price is also equal. So that's why it gives to always loss by X square by 100%. That means, so 5% profit, 5% loss. So 5 square 100, 5 square by 100%. So 25 by 100. So it gives to 2.5 percentage. So